Alright, this video is for Algebra 2 NTI Days 42 and 43. And you're doing the opposite of what you were doing on the previous 2 days. So this time you're going to convert from exponential into log form. So we're just going backwards. So I'm going to start with this example here. It's in exponential form, 4 squared equals 16, and I'm going to turn it into the log. So I do have to write log, and then 4 is my first number. It becomes my base, and then these two switch places. So I would read this as log base 4 of 16 is equal to 2. My next example, I have 9 to the negative 1 power is equal to 1/9. And just real quick about these negative exponents. So anytime you have a negative exponent, you're going to create a fraction. So it's always going to be 1 over whatever it is. So it's 1 over what it would be if it had a positive exponent. So 9 to the first power, anything to the first power is itself. So 9 to the first power is 9. So it would just be 1 over 9. If I had 9 to the negative second power, it would be 1 over 81, because 9 to the second power is 81, and so on. So it would just be 1 over what the answer would be if it were positive. Anyway, turning it into a log, we have to write down log. My first number, 9, becomes my base, and then these two are just going to switch. So my 1/9 comes first, and then my equal sign, and then my negative 1. So log base 9 of 1/9 is equal to negative 1. And I think, yeah, you should be good on those exponent rules from there. So I'm just going to make up one more here. Let's say I have 2 to the third power is equal to 8. So I'm going to put log, and then 2 is my base number here, my first number, and it's going to be my first number and my base here, and these two switch. So 8 and then 3. Log base 2 of 8 is equal to 3.